Hi and a big welcome to our Vox City Guide training video. Vox City is the smart new way for independent-minded travellers of all ages to feel at home in foreign cities. It's a simple-to-use travel tool downloaded on their smartphone that combines audio, text and image content with GPS navigation for unlimited sightseeing in each destination. As soon as you're set up, you can explore in offline mode using local transportation, walking itineraries, cycling, self-drive and much more, all without incurring roaming charges. This means you can personalise your vacation all the while getting familiar with hundreds of famous sites. So how does it work? Well, firstly, search for the Vox City app from your Apple or Google store. There's no charge to download or install it. Next, tap the QR symbol inside the Vox City app to scan the QR code that was supplied to you, or use the alphanumeric code. It's very straightforward. This action downloads your city mapping, navigation and audio contents. You simply choose your language and click. Great! Once the destination city is downloaded, you're ready to go. Now let's take a look inside the Vox City app. To start, click on the downloaded destination city. This opens to a citywide view of the map and points of interest, which can then be zoomed or scrolled using their fingers. At the top right there is a quick search function, and at the bottom are 6 menu buttons. The first 3 menu buttons switch on or off the items displayed on the main map. There's the points of interest. You can navigate directly to these at any time. There are star points, which are photo spots and Wi-Fi hotspots and so on. And there are suggested sightseeing routes. The 4th symbol takes you to the full listings page with a welcome introduction also. The 5th button activates the autoplay function, and this is great for listening to audio when wandering at will or following our suggested routes. The 6th button takes you to a colourful transport map. Now you can also place personal pins to plot your hotel or other favourite places. Make sure you download Vox City before you leave for your trip so it's ready for use the moment you arrive. You can use Vox City as often as you like, since it won't expire for as long as you keep your phone or tablet. Thanks for watching and safe travels with Vox City.